Hey guys, today is adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. The denominators are the same. We're on page 39 in your notebook. All of the rules are right here, okay? I'm gonna kind of go over that as we talk. So the first example is 6/7 plus 6/7. So the denominators are the same. So you keep that. You don't add the denominators. Now you add the numerators. 6 plus 6 is 12. You get 12/7. You learned last week that that's an improper fraction. You have to change it to a mixed number. That's just like an automatic thing now. Now that you know how to do it, it's expected. So you take 12 divided by 7, either in your head or off to the side. 7 goes into 12 one time, and you get 5. So your answer is, you read it like a clock, 1 5/7. And check to make sure that's in simplest form, and it is. So that is your answer for the first one. All right, let me scroll down here. Now you're going to see them stacked on top of each other because eventually the denominators are going to be different, and then they have to be stacked on top of each other. So look, all the denominators are 6s. There's 3 fractions this time. The rules are to add the numerators because we're adding here. Be careful with that because a lot of times kids add instead of subtract or subtract instead of add. So you take your numerators, which is 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So you get 10/6. Now, that is an improper fraction. The number on top is bigger. So you have to go off to the side and do 10 divided by 6, or in your head. 6 goes into 10 one time, subtract, we get 6. When you subtract that, you get 4. You read it like a clock. You get 1 4/6. Now, do you recognize that that is not in simplest form? So now you have to divide that by 2, divide that by 2, and you get, don't forget to bring this whole number over, 1 2/3. That's in simplest form. So that's your final answer. Example 3, the denominators are the same. So it's good. Now we're going to add the numerators. 7 plus 4 is 11. See this little bar right here? That's like your answer bar. Like if you were doing 3 plus 2, you would put your answer below it. Okay, I forgot to say that over here. So you get 11 over, keep the same denominator, you get 11/5. Again, we have a fraction that is improper. So you have to come off to the side and you have to divide. 11 divided by 5. 5 goes into 11 twice. 2 times 5 is 10. You get 1. Read it like a clock. You get 2 1/5. And that's in simplest form. So that's your final answer. Okay, there's one more example in your notes. Let me scroll down again. Example 4. Denominators are the same. We are adding again. So I want to keep the same denominator. 11 plus 5 is 16. Well, 16 over 16 is equal to 1 whole. 7 over 7 is equal to 1 whole. 8 over 8 is equal to 1 whole. 20 over 20 is equal to 1 whole. So you want to just go that it's 1 whole number. Now, if you ended with an answer like 15/3, your answer would be 15 divided by 3 is exactly 5. You would have 5 wholes. So make sure you always simplify.